This video will demonstrate how to mix Belzona 7311 by volume. Belzona 7311 is a fatigue-resistant adhesive, optimized for structural bonding applications that require high mechanical strength and shear resistance. When mixing this two-component system, always follow the instructions for use. First, twist off the lids from the base and solidifier modules, and remove the cover from each container. The mixing ratio for Belzona 7311 is 3 parts base to 1 part solidifier. Mix the two components thoroughly in a figure of 8 motion until a uniform material is achieved. Use the spatula to score the mixed product to check for any remaining streaks. Once the material is mixed, it's ready to be applied. Belzona 7311 is a specially designed adhesive, ideal for bonding applications. To bond a bracket, use a short bristled brush to apply a thin layer of Belzona 7311, wetting out the prepared surface. Apply more product onto the center of one of the surfaces, building up into a peak to ensure there is sufficient product in the bonded joint and any trapped air is squeezed out. Press the two surfaces firmly together, ensuring Belzona 7311 exudes from all corners and edges of the bonded geometry, and the maximum bond line thickness doesn't exceed 2 millimeters. Belzona 7311 can also be utilized as part of the Belzona SF6 fix system, reducing leaks of sulfur hexafluoride in the power industry to undetectable levels. Its superior adhesion and resistance to cyclic fatigue make it the ideal choice for sealing this leaking riveted tank exterior without the need for hot work. Belzona 7311 is ideally suited to bonding applications exposed to cyclic or repeated loads. With high resistance to peel forces, it offers a strong, dependable alternative to mechanical fastenings, ideal for ladders, staircases, and handrails.